It's not just your speed, it's your pick angle. Watch this. Same 6 notes, same tempo, completely different result. In the last videos we worked on isolating the upstroke, and then we looked at 1 note per string picking. This is the next step up, because once your upstroke is working, and once you understand that 1 note per string escape motion, you have to drill it into real alternate picking. That's where this pattern comes in. It's only 6 notes. 3 notes on one string, 3 notes on the next. Down, up, down, up, down, up. But the important moment is right here. Note 3 into note 4. That string change tells you everything. If your pick angle is wrong, the pick gets trapped in between the strings after the 3rd note. So when you try to cross the next string, your hand has to jump over the next string, swipe through it, or tense up to escape. That's why the lick falls apart. And I don't mean pick angle for tone, I mean pick angle for escape. The string change basically exposes the problem, but the pick angle fixes it. Troy Grady showed the world this stuff. The pick has to be angled in a way that lets the final pick stroke escape the strings. So in this pattern, the 3rd note is the key here. You're playing down, up, down. That final downstroke has to move away from the strings enough that the pick is free to reach to the next string. If the pick stays flat between the strings, you're stuck. So don't just practice the notes. Watch the angle of the pick. Loop the first 6 notes slowly. 3 notes on one string, 3 notes on the next. And every time you hit that 3rd note, check whether the pick is actually escaping. If it is, the string change feels small. If it isn't, everything feels like working against you. So the drill is simple. Play it slow enough to see the pick angle, speed it up until the string change starts to break. Then back off and fix the pick angle again. Slow, fast, slow. You're not forcing speed. You're teaching the pick to escape the strings the same way every time. That's why this little 6 note pattern is useful. It builds speed, but more importantly, it shows you exactly where the pick goes wrong, where your pick angle stops working. This is from one of my own songs, but you don't need the full phrase yet. Master the 6 note version first, because clean alternate picking across strings isn't built by grinding longer licks. It's built by fixing the escape angle in the exact spot where the lick falls apart. The full breakdown is on my Patreon, links in the description.